Hey my friend, it's Matt Tommy. If you are like me and you have a passion for being outside and have always wanted to know how to go in your garden or in the woods behind your house and harvest natural materials like daylily foliage and iris and maybe bark and other interesting things and actually make baskets from it, then I want to encourage you to check out my new course on twining with soft natural materials. Inside this course, I'm going to show you step by step how to take natural materials, things that you find in the garden. This is literally daylily and iris foliage and cattails. And I'm going to show you how to make baskets like this. Baskets that I've been making for 30 plus years. Techniques that I use to make beautiful sculptural forms like this one and even pieces like this. It's a great video workshop that is step-by-step instruction. Whether you have been weaving for years and years or whether you're just starting out, this is going to be a course that's going to be a big encouragement to you in your journey as a basket maker. All right, I hope I'll see you inside. Bye.